Natural Enlargement book for free. Download your Natural Enlargement Blueprint. John has lost his mind. Download this soon. How to add 1 to 3 inches completely naturally. Video inside. Hey, my buddy John Collins contacted me to let me know that he has just released a brand new book that reveals how to naturally enlarge the size of your member. I said, "That's great, John. How much are you going to be selling it for?" "Nothing. Completely zero cost to the subscribers of your mailing list." I laughed thinking this was some kind of joke, but sure enough it's not. John is literally giving away this information at zero cost. So, before he comes out of his temporary moment of insanity, you should go ahead and download your copy from the link below. John has been a friend of mine for a while. He used to be a private men's sexual health coach, charging big dollars teaching the most effective enlargement methods to rich guys with small dicks. He discovered his proprietary methods almost by accident while on a trip to London, but it's only recently he has made this info available to the masses. I don't really know when he is going to come to his senses and start charging for this stuff, so make sure you grab your copy ASAP. Talk soon.